Sayang to, makapanindig balahibong intensity sa Game 1. Ganda na sana ng nilalaro ng Quezon pero Abra dodge a bullet, nag-choke ang Huskers, umabot pa ng overtime. Sobrang nonchalant nila kay Dave Ildefonso, parang sumanib si Dirk Nowitzki, pumukol ng puro one-legged 3. Mismatch talaga Quezon sa bigs, dominated ng Weavers ang paint, wala pa din si Judel Fuentes sa Huskers. Shoutout na rin sa mga nag-like, comment and share ng ating video. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
In game number 5 against Binyan, now it's with LJ Gonzalez. 9 on their shot clock, takes the free, and a good
thing that LJ has done so well this playoffs is to see that beautiful pass by Jay.
Depensa na pinapakita nila dito sa ating liga.
At kadalasan napafoul sila, so see a good jumper right there. How they played in the regular season to start that game. No struggle so far. Even entire playoff, one of the top 3-point shooters. See a good block right there. Shot opportunities. We secure that rebound and run our side.
LJ.
And it is very important for them to be really good at that because ito ang mga primary weapons nila offensively.
Rickman nakalusot, Mintes, pero nandoon si Jay. About LJ Gonzalez. He pushes.
Nice.
Oh, open in the lane. Santago.
Clearly, they had somebody work on defensively against Jason. Oh, what a move!
Dami nilusutan ni LJ doon. Napasa niya kay Christian Pagaran, who hit out on that jumper.
That's
now
a shot.
Abundo. He drives, lays it up and in with his left hand. Santago. Drop pass to RJ Minerva. Lost it. Pagaran recovers. Jump shot from the baseline. It's good. Offensive rebound. Grabbed by Ryan Patino. He forces his way in and he kisses it.
Go to offensively and even defensively.
Quezon so far has been breaking
ball, making that defense work.
Serrano backing down Abundo. Shot no good. The follow-up. Training in first period. Eman Tagle. The pass to Minerva. Santago. The fake. Goes up strong.
The Huskers did get in the fourth quarter of that regular season game. You see that floater in there by
left sa kanilang shot lock. Abundo. Pasa kay Minerva. Fires a free. And nice help defense by Will Gozom. The flip shot by Jason Greco, much more. And they have a golden opportunity tonight. Christian Pagaran. Okay. Has hit 2 threes already. This time he drives, floats it up and in.
Right now, the way that this first game is in the first quarter, or the first initial quarter is being run.
Quezon is ahead by 9, 28-19. Ildefonso. Nayon. Ildefonso, binapat na Diego. Puts up the 3 again, and he scores! Early. Game number 5. Ildefonso, one-legged shot. He's worked on that shot. Gonzalez na agaw yung bola, pasa kay Taiwan. Gonzalez will slam it down to take the lead in one of these games. But right now, Abra 12-0 run, 8 points from David.
Right.
Switching things up, baseline drive by Hierro, the fake, the finish.
Medyo hindi natin nakita yan dito sa second.
6 points from Gio Chu. Meanwhile, they're more better than being just the South Division champions. But they have on Gonzalez. Jason Brickman gets to his spot. Tamsi goes right at Jason Brickman, lays it up and in. Broken up by Mike Ayon.
Oh, no.
Nice pass! Gio with a two-hand.
Love that it actually started on the defensive end of the floor. Tamsi answers back with a 3, but it's different dynamic altogether. When you have Alfred Batinos, you see a jumper right there by...
Step. Ahead is Dave Ildefonso. Sidestep beauty from Dave Ildefonso. Working on Abundo. Turnaround shot is good.
Almost always guarantee the basket for Encho Serrano.
Abra creating a little bit of a momentum. Pagaran! Encho Serrano. Up and under move.
Alam niyang aatakihin niya kagad yung depensa na yun. But how about again? GOG, especially as he partners with against the Raven and Simon Sandagon.
Kabaini. Pass to
pass.
Hierro. Open for free. Umalog palabas at paloob ulit.
GOG against Vince.
Vince, the shot fake. He drives straight to the cup. Gonzalez. Magbuhos, balik kay Kabaini. Turns down the shot. Now he settles for a free throw jumper.
It's pretty much advantage for the Weavers only because doon sila pumupuntos ng marami pag run with a three.
Fiskai.
Drive by Jason Brickman.
LJ getting past his defender. Lazy. Bigay muna kay Alvin Abundo. Back to Sandagon. He is free. He puts it up. He puts it in. 64-59. Trying to steal one on the road. Altamsi sa loob. Recovers and scores. LJ bounce pass Kabaini.
This is big.
Pagaran has yet to miss. And that could
Score.
Brickman stepping into a free. He put it. Chance for Abra.
Jason.
Brickman. Yes! Abra just down by one possession. Marwin Taiwan. The pass to Uduba inside. Gets the basket plus a foul. He hits it on their shot block.
Still got time.
Gonzalez sidestep three. Oh my goodness! LJ Gonzalez! 9 seconds left on their shot clock. Taiwan drives, blocked by Sandagon. Uduba inside, puts it up, puts it in! Oh! He does! LJ, Banal, Pagaran for free! Oh my goodness! Christian Pagaran! Hands.
I think we'll see that again. Oh yeah, that still was in his hands, clearly. Just that little.
Altamsi, Christian Pagaran, Simon Sandagon, and Joshua Hierro. Here we go. Taiwan, Ildefonso for the win! No! And we are in Campanal. LJ puts on the Jets high off the glass and in. Gonzalez working on Brickman, facing a double team. Skip pass, Pagaran. Jump shot. Three-pointer is good.
Again on that middle ball action with Joseph Kabaini and LJ.
LJ settles for a free.
Oh, man.
Luba receives a pass. Balik kay Jason Brickman. Oh, what a pass. Uduba inside.
Man.
He scores again. It's left. Jason Brickman working on Simon Sandagon. Brickman drives, lays it up and in! Another shot clock, facing a double D. Gonzalez tried to split it. Brickman comes away, almost with a steal. It's a man scramble. What they come up with on possibly the last possession. Gonzalez making his move early. For three, no! Banal! Tried to grab the rebound. Possibly the last possession here in game number 1. Abundo to trigger. Pagbuhos is free. The fake. He drives. No! And Abra escapes with a win!